Gold is one of the most popular and sought-after valuable products. It is a haven asset and has a hedge against inflation. It has been used for many different things throughout history, including as a medium of exchange, a component of technology, and jewelry material. It is a unique asset that substitutes the conventional stock and bond markets. Gold continues to appeal to many investors even today. Gold demand is at its highest when things are unpredictable, like they were with the COVID-19 outbreak, and is a great investment option during recession. Do you intend to invest in gold? Do you want to learn more about gold investments and the best kind to start with? Welcome to 9 to 5 Finance, where you learn about money and investments. Let's start by discussing the importance of gold investing. Why invest in gold? Many investors now view gold as a secure investment because its value rises when certain assets perform poorly. Looking at the value of gold in 2021, when gold hit its most fantastic price in the previous 7 years, provides an excellent illustration of this tendency. Since gold doesn't produce a continuous cash flow like real estate or stocks would, many novice investors steer clear of it. Many people are unaware that gold is very liquid due to its tremendous demand, which means it can be purchased and traded relatively fast. This feature makes gold a superb investment choice compared to other alternative investments. Despite being a physical item, gold is nonetheless very liquid. Typically, it is simple to turn it into cash, and it increases in value during periods of economic downturn. Gold concluded the first half of 2022 0.6% higher at almost $1,817 per ounce, despite rising inflation and market instability. With proper research, gold can be a fantastic addition to your investment portfolio. The most excellent strategies to invest in gold are discussed in this video. What are your best choices as a beginner looking to buy gold? There are several ways to invest in gold. Bullion, which is gold bars and jewelry, futures contracts, investing in gold ETFs, mining firms, and gold certificates. Let's examine these gold investment routes in more detail. Acquiring gold bullion. Gold bullion is traded at prices quite close to the cost of pure gold. A premium over the price of gold, ranging from 3% to 10%, must be paid to purchase gold bullion. A vault or a bank deposit box will also need to be used as a storage option. You need to ensure the pricing is reasonable. The gold is authentic and has been tested before making a purchase, and you are paying less for collector's coins if you only want pure gold. Once you buy gold, you have to store it properly. You could store it at home, but security issues could arise from this approach. If you decide to purchase and keep it at home, ensure you have a proper safe and take the necessary measures to protect your assets. The next option to invest in gold is by buying gold futures contracts. Futures contracts are pre-arranged contracts that are traded on regulated exchanges. They give holders the option to buy or sell at a future date and the agreed upon price. Investors can profit from any changes in the price of gold thanks to these contracts. With a futures contract, both parties must complete the transaction. Most investors trade in and out of gold futures contracts before the expiration date to avoid having to physically acquire the gold. However, they can profit from price swings before the contract expires by trading the contract. Another option is considering ETFs, or exchange-traded funds and commodities on the open market. With the help of ETFs, investors can practically own gold by buying and selling futures on it. ETCs are gold-backed debt notes that are secured by collateral. You may easily purchase and sell ETFs and ETCs using financial platforms, and both try to track the price of gold. When you hold them in an ISA for stocks and shares, you will not be subject to capital gains tax when you sell them. You should watch out for funds fees, as they will be charged to cover administration and overhead costs. Investing in gold certificates. Gold certificates are notes issued by a business that holds gold, providing another option to obtain gold. These notes are typically backed by unallocated gold, meaning there isn't a precise quantity of gold attached to the certificate. The company claims to have enough gold to cover all existing certificates. Awarded gold certificates are available for purchase, although they are more expensive. Due to this, some investors buy shares of gold mining companies. Gold mining firms' share prices typically track the gold metal's cost. However, miners also manage companies that have the potential to grow over time, bringing higher profits to investors. This may offer benefits that owning actual gold will never have. When choosing which gold mining shares to purchase, you should pay special attention to a company's mining expenses, existing mine portfolio, and expansion potential at existing and new mines. A much simpler option than purchasing physical gold is to think about investing in the shares of firms that mine, process, and trade gold. You can invest using your brokerage account, which entails purchasing stocks in gold mining firms. You can invest in any of the above options based on your risk appetite, but before you do, it's advisable to understand the advantages of each investment option we discussed earlier. The advantages of investing in gold bullion. Because gold is independent of any government or bank, its value is expected to increase and be protected from inflation. You can purchase bullion as quickly as going to your neighborhood gold store or precious metals dealer, researching online, and selecting a trustworthy vendor to benefit from their online pricing discounts. The benefits of gold future contracts. Because a buyer can pay a portion of the price when negotiating a deal and the remaining amount after signing the contract, engaging in this trade requires less money. Because the buyer won't have to worry about finding a secure location to store the gold, it eliminates the demand for speedy storage. The advantages of ETFs. ETFs are easily traded and purchased and sold using any affordable online broker that deals in shares. Purchasing an ETF provides immediate access to the index it tracks, which may include dozens, hundreds, or even thousands of securities. It's a fantastic method for obtaining diversified exposure to several asset types. The advantages of gold certificates. The primary benefit of gold certificates is that they let customers avoid the dangers and expenses of storing and transferring actual gold. Investors no longer have to worry about theft risk or pay for bids and offer spreads associated with gold bars or coins because of these certificates. They are incredibly liquid and can be bought and traded very fast. Gold mining stock benefits. Investing in gold firms can yield greater overall profits than in gold itself. This is so that these businesses may increase production while cutting costs. By increasing their profitability, gold mining businesses can raise their stock values above the price of gold. What are some global investment platforms available for investors? On the New York Mercantile Exchange, investors can purchase or sell gold futures contracts in US dollars per ounce in contracts of 100 troy ounces, with a minimum price variation of 10 US cents or 10 US dollars per contract. For instance, $1 US equals $100 US per contract. February, April, June, August, October, and December are the typical NYMEX contract months, with trading ending on the third to last business day of the delivery month. Sites like Goldco, Regal Assets are few places where you can purchase gold bars. Additionally, remember that you could be responsible for paying delivery fees and insurance to ensure the safe shipment of your bullion. You can check out the link in the description to access the best sources to invest in gold bullion. Buying the best gold stocks. Southern Copper Corp, or SCCO, the Rio Tinto plc, and Agnico Eagle Mines are a few companies that you can look into buying their stocks after doing your analysis. We've talked about your top choices for gold investments. Which ones are you considering? Let us know in the comment section. Do you have a friend or family interested in gold investment? You can share this video with them. Remember to like and subscribe for more finance and investment opportunities.